Hi, my name is Mauricio Garzón, student group 13, step 2, comprehend intellectual property. Date March 14, 2021. Course Evaluation and Negotiation of Technology. Obstacles to register intellectual property selecting for team is company consider that the processing time is excessive. Cause administrative process consists the information required for the intellectual property registration process in not clear display. Codes association the wide registration consists companies do not understand the value of conducting intellectual property registration process. Standard registration verification system are slow consist. Verify the brand is due to symbol of size. The administrative process is slow and not understandable. The consequence of the companies do not register compliance of industrial patents consistent. Companies might be commit crime if they was a similar trademark for their business. Of they might lose the value of patents if. Companies can lose their assist if company first fixing its actions concept. If you develop your brand around already registered trademark, you might lose the brand recognition job. Illegality and the informal market consist. Standards and patents have no potential to obtain a competitive advantage that generates value over time for companies. Um, Recommendation ones companies have recommendations to care for the intellectual property registration process, and company can start with the trademark registration, the commerce industries, superintendents of online consultants to care of this process. Additionally, it has mobile solution where they go to different places in the main site to help entrepreneurs to care on the different procedures without the need to pay and their party to start their records. Recommendation 2, company had recommendation to care of the intellectual property registration process. In the case of the manufacturing industries, is the necessity to register patents in industrial way. But if they development allows the company to have a competitive advantage in the sector.